everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free $99. It costs you nothing. So hit that right subscribe button. Okay? Nothing. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and leave me a comment down below. Happy Halloween, guys! I don't really believe in Halloween as far as like witchcraft and the dead and things like that. But I like dressing up. It's fun. This costume cost me $0. Nothing. And I like to have a little outfit on to get the candy out for the kids. Got my little bowls ready over here, and I went to Sam's Club because y'all know I was doing my Bookmark challenge for candy. I got a 30 pack of chocolate and a 30 pack of, girl, they're heavy of chewy sweet candy variety pack. I find that children actually like the sweeter candy over the chocolate, which is weird to me. But anyway, that costs about I want to say $50 something, $55. I know, expensive. Anyway, let's get into today's video, which is going to be the closeout of paycheck number 1, because paycheck number 2 has already landed, y'all. So let's get going. Let me know down in the comments, do you dress up for Halloween? Do you have kids that you take trick-or-treating, or do you hand out candy at your house? Okay, moving right along. Here is our paycheck, girl. Yeah, our paycheck number 1. Everything that is in green means that it has moved out of the bank already and was basically clear. Our goal here is to make everything else green. So let's go into our account, which are already in our operating account, and let's see if we can find where we last left off. So this was what? Okay. So we have $1 for Navy Federal. Let's clear that dollar right here. There's our Navy Federal, $1. And then we have $233.50, which is the second half of the card payment. Where are you? Card payment. $233.50 right there. And then we have $104.80, which was our Google AdSense money. Shout out to y'all. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I did get a check. If you saw my iPad payoff transfer Tuesday video, you would have seen me allocate that money out. And some of it went to tithes, some of it went to taxes, some of it stayed in the YouTube boss account, and the rest went to paying off the iPad early. So that's what that was. I don't know if I want to I guess we should track everything, because over here, we like to know where all the money went. So as far as side hustle money goes, we're going to add that we did get an additional $104.80. Then Comcast came out for $80. There's our internet bill right there, so we can make that green. Then we have our mortgage that came out for $1183.62. Amen. Grateful to God that we have money to pay all these bills all the time. $27.14, we're paid to Capital One because that's our security equipment, and actually that's our security fee, and that comes right out of the credit card, and then I pay it through the operating account, so that got paid. Then we have $340 that came over from Hold Your Horses. This just basically went into the cashless envelope system, my variable envelope. So these are zero each other out. Here's $340 coming in and then $340 coming out of that. Just freaking reminded me I need to go to CVS. I play so much. This came out of the ATM. I gotta go soon too. They close at 7. $25 is for, what is this for? Withdrawal. Apparel. Oh, okay. Okay. What are 2 of them coming for? YouTube Pay. Apparel and YouTube Pay. So this one was for YouTube Pay. This one to YouTube Boss. $25. Oh, okay. Now I see. I skipped something. That's why it's not making sense to me. Because I'm like, what? So let's go to our sinking funds, and $25 went to YouTube Boss. Boom, right there. And that's coming out of the 104. Now I skipped something, which was the $25 here. I don't know why. Was money I put in from my saving challenge. So y'all know I've been doing these bookmark saving challenge that are from Salissa's channel, which I'll link her Etsy shop down below. The $25 was left over from my first bookmark challenge that I completed. And so instead of it sitting in cash in my wallet, I ended up putting it in here because it needed to go to apparel, because that's exactly what it's going to be used for. So that $25 needs to go to apparel. Did y'all see how confused I was for a minute there? Absolutely. I was like, what? So that's $25. Actually, I should just go ahead and make that green so I don't confuse myself anymore later, because that cleared the bank. And so did this $25 for the YouTube boss money. Okay. And then we have, back to the top, we've got $30 that I Zelled over to myself. That went to $10 went to tithes, and $20 went to taxes. So that went over to Ally. So I'm just going to put it here, Ally Bank, and we're just going to put that $30 was sent over there, and that made green because that kind of is like a savings account as well. And it is Ally, because I was reading one of their little things and it was like, we are your ally, like we're your friend, we're your partner in crime and whatnot. So it's Ally, not Ally. I don't know. The way they spell it, just, Anyway, moving along, random thoughts all day. So Apple Card, this was our extra payment to our iPad of $49.80. So we're going to put that under other for now. And we're going to do Apple Card payments. That was $49.80. Plus $49.80. There we go. And then why are we over $25? I didn't put the $25 that we put in. So that's why it makes, I'm like, what? So we also rolled over or basically put in another $25 from the money from the bookmark challenge. I just didn't add it to the top that we talked about. And now $43.20 is the other part of the security equipment right here. So it came out on the credit card and we went ahead and paid it back out of the operating account. Okay, so we have $40 being added. What is this? Oh, $40 being added from money that we took out, which we only should have took out. When I told you before that we took out $340 for the variable expenses, we were only supposed to take out $40. And if you watched my all the things kind of video where I unstuffed, I stuffed, I did challenges and tracked, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. This needed to go back in the bank because this is our fun money, which fun money is actually going to the circle challenge right now. So let's go ahead and move that money. I'm not even going to track that. We're just going to transfer that money over to the circle challenge. So from Tara's Major Keys over to the circle challenge. If we can find it. Or did I go too fast? No. Really? Right there. So we're going to put $40 because that's part of the real payment. And that's for the circle. We'll put iPad payment. Transfer. Success. There should also be another $10 extra in here. Did I pass it? Because y'all know I like to just... This $10 balance for giving is $10 somewhere else. There needs to be another $10 somewhere else. I don't know if we'll find it. We'll find it. And this is the last check, but we're not worried about that right now. So let's just go over here and see where we're at. Make sure we cleared everything. So this is green. Everything's green. Everything's green. Everything's green. And we should have $31 and $31.18 left over. And that's exactly what we had right here. $31.18 was left over before I added in the 40 and took out the 40, which will zero each other out. Now that's buffer money. I feel like I'm missing $10. I don't know why. So $31.18. This is closed out. We got new money. So we're gonna send that also to the circle challenge, because what we're focused on paying off this iPad early right now. So we just sent 40 and we'll be sending 31.18 for a total of 71.18. So let me go ahead and transfer 31.18 over there. Over to the circle challenge. Excuse me, y'all. I feel so much better, but still slightly, there it is, slightly stuffy. So I apologize in advance for the sniffles or the clearing of the throat. Circle challenge. All right. Success. We're done with that. Now, you all know that, and so 1572.38, 1572.38 makes perfect sense. I want to check one thing, y'all, because I feel like there is $10 somewhere. Is it still in Hold Your Horses? It might be. Because, yes, so $10 out of Hold Your Horses. Let me make it make sense before I start talking crazy. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the math. So, in Hold Your Horses, I put $280 every week for my variable expenses. Okay, I took out $340. So that's $560 minus $340. All right, and then I put back $40. Y'all saw that I deposited $40. So then let's not do that part yet. And then I moved 210 over to, I added 210 and moved that to, what's that thing called? To groceries. That's $10 for giving and $200 for groceries. And I still need $40. I don't know why this is adding up weird. 210 plus 340 is 550 plus another 40. Child, just believe me when I tell y'all, I can't even make it make sense. But just believe me when I tell y'all there's $10 still in here that needs to go over to the circle challenge. So I'm going to transfer that because that's the other 10 that was supposed to go with giving. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and transfer another $10 to the circle challenge, and that will pay the base $50, $60, $51 will be off $1, but $51 that's due on the minimum for the iPad every month. Okay, so that's $10. Success, good. We shouldn't have much in Hold Your Horses, $2. That makes 100% sense because we're closed out everything. Now, as we had our calculator prior, we sent 40 plus we sent the 10, which is the 50 base payment, plus we sent 31.18. So we have 81.18 that we just sent over there. But let me go ahead and make this zero. So this 31.18, we're going to put in other. I really should have a circle challenge line because a lot's been going there. And then I'm going to make nothing in the buffer. So we're at a zero-based budget right now. Boom, zero-based budget. Now, let's handle the circle challenge as well because we don't want to forget. There's 81.18 and each circle is $25. So 3.25. There's going to be some extra money just chilling in there, which is fine. So we need to color in 3 circles. So I don't have it where I can color it in there. So I'm just going to open up my iPad and I'm going to color in the circle challenge on the iPad and just kind of show y'all because it just would be easier that way. And I also don't want to forget. But here's the circle challenge here. It's hard to see when I do this way because they didn't want me to be green. Okay. Oh, there's a circle challenge right there. So I'm going to color in 2 more to represent, well, is it 2? Not 2. 3 more. I'm going to say 3 more to represent the $81 that I just put in. So please hold. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for holding. So I did go ahead and color in. You were just being great. colored in three more of the circles. We are more than halfway done with this. We're looking good, y'all. And then I also have a tally over here that I've been keeping of like what was added in. And so this 8118 is basically rollover money plus the minimum payment for November. And then we've saved $493, almost $500, right? Almost $500, you guys. So I'm so excited for our next payment. Next week for Transfer Tuesday, we're going to be paying the minimum plus some extra, and I love to see it. So that is where we're at. We have closed. We're down to exactly what we got paid for the next check showing. So we know we got this last paycheck down to zero. Everything in our account here or on our tracker, Excel or Google Sheet is zeroed out. Everything is green. So we've accounted for everything and we're done. Also, I just want to take a quick moment to thank all of those who have purchased my simple budget sheet. More than two of y'all that I met at the gas station bought it. So I'm so excited. I thank you so, so much. I really want to do a little short with all the people who did purchase to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I know $5 can be a lot for some people. That's a whole, latte or something, child, a quick McDonald's meal. So the fact that you supported me, I really appreciate that. I know there's a lot of freebies out there, and I know there's a lot of more intricate, detail oriented spreadsheets. So I appreciate that you valued the time that I took to make mine, and I hope you're following along and doing your budget on it with me. That'd be so cool. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate you. And thanks for watching. We got ourselves to our zero-based budget, closed out our budget for the paycheck number 2, final paycheck of October, and I'll be back to budget paycheck number 1. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye. Remember, y'all, it's faith over fear. Happy Halloween. Love you. Mean it. Bye. How did I almost forget that?